Well, here's my dad's chainsaw. It's a Poulan Pro 50cc chainsaw. It says P is for Poulan Pro 50cc. It's got a 20-inch bar. I don't know what the AV means. This one I did not get for free. This my dad bought for 200 smackers because we needed a chainsaw. Came with this neat little box and a bar and enough oil to mix for 1 gallon, which I've yet to go through the gallon even with this thing, the other chainsaw, the weed eater, a leaf blower. I'm trying to think. I think that's all I used. This 40-to-1 mixture. Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah. This chainsaw, a little rough starting it. Don't like to start right away. But try to start her up. I gotta winterize it. Now let's try and start the beast. It usually never wants to start. There are a couple primes. Doesn't seem like it wants to give it gas. What the heck? And I think I need a little bit more gas. Alright, let's try her again. I also noticed that the little filter is sticking up rather than down. A little bit of gas on my finger. Now it's pumping gas. This thing usually never wants to start. First pull. Okay, choke all the way out. It says pull choke out. 1 pull till it kicks.